Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now let's start question number 11. The simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years at 20.3% per annum is rupees 8,750. What will be the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for the same period compounded annually? Okay students, that means आपको simple interest find करना है एक मनी के सम पे कितने टाइम के लिए 3 इयर्स के लिए कितने रेट के लिए 20/3 पर रेट के लिए स्टूडेंट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट गिवन है आपको कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है सेम रेट एंड सेम पीरियड के लिए ओके स्टूडेंट्स ओके लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी एक्स ओके बिकॉज प्रिंसिपल इज नॉट गिवन लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी okay students now we have time so time is here 3 years and rate is here 20/3% and simple interest is given that is 8,750 ओके स्टूडेंट्स दैट मीन्स मैंने आपको ऐसा बोला है कि जब भी आपके पास कुछ ऐसी वैल्यू गिवन हो जिसका फॉर्मूला आपको पता हो तो हम उस फॉर्मूले का जरूर यूज करते हैं ओके सो एज यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एसआई दैट इज P into R into T upon 100 okay students clear so that will be equal to this one okay here P we don't have P so it will be as it is and R is here that is 20/3 okay and that is T that is 3 years and upon 100 is equal to 8,750 okay so 25 is 100 and 3 cancel by this 3 so P is equal to 5 into 8,750 okay so that is here P is equal to 5 5s are 25 that is 2 5 7s are 35 that is 37 8 5s are 40 that is 43 okay students so rupees 43,750 is the principal here okay so for compound interest so students interest for first year that will be P into R into T upon 100 P is here 43750 R is here 20/3 okay students and time is here 1 and upon 100 so 25 is a 100 so we have 43750 upon 15 okay 5 3s are 15 and it will be cut for 8750 times so we have 8750 upon 3 and 2916.6 okay so that is the interest for I1 okay now amount here amount will be 43750 plus 2916.6 okay so we have 46666.6 okay students now we will find the interest for second year so that is the principal for this year okay 4666.6 into R is here 20/3 and that is 1 and students into 100 okay 25 is a 100 so students we have 4666.6 upon 5 3s are 15 so after calculating we get 3111.1 okay students so here we will find the amount that will be 46666.6 plus 3111.1 okay now we add them and after adding we get 49777.7 okay so that is the principal for third year so now interest for 3 years so that will be 49777.7 into 20/3 and into 1 and into 100 okay so 25 is 100 so that is 49777.7 upon 5 3s are 15 so we get 33,3318.5 okay so that is the interest for third year so students now the compound interest that will be interest for 1 year 2 year and third year okay so 1 year interest kya hai students that is 2916.6 and second year ka interest that is 3111.1 and third year ka interest that is 3318.5 so that will be 9346.2 so that is your answer okay Now the next question is question number 12. The difference between the compound interest compounded annually and the simple interest on a certain sum for 2 years at 4% per annum is rupees 20. Find the sum. Student, that means difference given है आपको simple interest and compound interest का 20 rupees. Okay. And यहाँ पर जो time given है वो 2 years and rate जो given है वो 4%. Okay. So here हमारे पास क्या गिवन है, डिफरेंस गिवन है किस किस का, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का डिफरेंस गिवन है 20 रुपीज. ओके, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंडेड एनुअली एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज रुपीज 20. ओके, हेयर rate is 4% and time is 2 years. Okay, so students, first of all we have to find the principal. Okay, but because we don't have principal, so that means let the principal बी पी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमने प्रिंसिपल को लेट किया पी. ओके, सो नाउ एस आई, दैट मीन्स सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज पी इंटू आर इंटू टी अपॉन 100. हेयर पी we don't have p, so it will be as it is, and r is here 4 and time is here 2 and upon 100. Okay, so 4 से कट कर दीजिए 25 times, so we have 2p upon 25. So that is the simple interest here. Now for compound interest, now interest for फर्स्ट ईयर. स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए इंटरेस्ट क्या होगा, p इंटू आर इंटू टी. p सो हमारे पास नहीं है, इंटू आर, आर इज हेयर 4 एंड टाइम विल बी 1 एंड अपॉन 100. सो इसे कट कर दीजिए इससे. सो वी हैव p अपॉन 25. सो दैट इज द interest for first year. Now we will find the amount. Amount will be principal plus interest. Interest is here p upon 25. So that will be 25p, that means 26p upon 25. So that is the principal for second year. Okay, now interest for second year, that will be p, that means 26p upon 25 and into r, r is here 4 and time will be 1 and upon 100. Okay, मैंने डायरेक्ट इसे डेनोमिनेटर में लिख दिया. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आप इसे कट कर दीजिए 25 टाइम्स. सो वी हैव 26p अपॉन 25 इंटू 25, दैट विल बी 625. ओके, सो दैट इज द इंटरेस्ट फॉर सेकेंड ईयर. ओके, नाउ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर 2 years, that will be interest for 1 year and interest for second year. Okay, because that is the interest for 1 year, that is the interest for second year. Okay, so we can add them p. So students, we have 25p plus 26p, that is 51p upon 625. Okay, so that is the compound interest for 2 years. Now according to question, ci minus si, that will be 20. So ci is here 10p upon 625 and that is si here, and that is 2p upon 25. Okay students, now we will take LCM, that is 625, and student, that will be same here, and minus 5 into 2, that is 50p is equal to 20. Okay students, so 51p minus 50p, that is p is equal to 20 into 625. So that means p is here 12,500 rupees. Okay, so that is the principal here. Okay student, that means that is the sum of money. Is that clear? Okay, so now that's all for today. And students, if you have any doubts, so you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.